One day, while Mullah Nasruddin was in the marketplace, he saw a man selling a very colorful bird. The man was shouting out, "Come and get this magical bird for just 10 gold coins! Just 10 gold coins! Hurry!" Nasru was curious, for he knew that no bird was worth 10 gold coins. He walked up to the man and asked, "Why is this bird so expensive? And what's so magical about it?" The man smiled and said, "This is a magical parrot, sir, and it talks." Nasru laughed and said, "Silly man, I know many parrots that can talk. This bird is not worth 10 gold coins." The man was angry and shouted, "Only a fool will not be able to see that this is a magical bird." Nasru was angry. He rushed to his home, grabbed a turkey from his backyard, and went back to the marketplace. As soon as he reached the marketplace, he stood beside the man selling the parrot and shouted, "Ladies and gentlemen, come here quickly. I've got a magical bird with me and I'm selling it for just 15 gold coins. Come quickly." The man selling the parrot began laughing loudly and said, "Ha ha, you fool! You are trying to sell an ordinary turkey for 15 gold coins. What is so magical about your turkey?" Nasru said to him, "Ha! This is indeed a magic turkey. It is magical because it can think." The man was shocked and said, "What rubbish! I've never heard of a turkey that can think." Nasru replied, "Ha! Only a fool will not be able to see that this is a magical turkey that can think." The man, outwitted by Mullah Nasruddin, quickly left the town, never to return again.